Today's video is going to surprise you. In today's video, we'll be covering the top 5 cheapest beginner-friendly RC helicopters to try in 2026. After conducting extensive research across multiple websites, I've compiled a list of options that cater to different types of buyers. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or a specific use case, I'm here to help. For more details about each product, you'll find the links in the description below. Please keep in mind that this is not a review video, but rather a product showcase. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The WLTOYS Eurocopter AS350 Écureuil is a highly detailed 1:32 scale replica that combines a realistic aesthetic with advanced flight stability technology. Unlike traditional RC helicopters that can be difficult to master, this model is designed with beginner-friendly features that make the transition to flight much smoother. The helicopter features a 3-blade fly-barless head, which not only mimics the look of the real Écureuil, but also provides more power and efficiency. To ensure a stable experience, it is equipped with a dual positioning system, barometric altitude hold to maintain a steady height, and optical flow positioning to lock the aircraft's horizontal position when hovering indoors or at low altitudes. Control is handled via a 2.4 GHz 4-channel transmitter, offering a reliable connection without interference. The ready-to-fly RTF package includes everything needed to get into the air, featuring one-key takeoff and landing functions. These automated assists allow users to focus on maneuvering rather than the stress of starting or ending a flight. WLTOYS AS350 Écureuil, a scale-accurate, stable flyer that brings professional features to the entry-level pilot. Number 4. The WLTOYS K170 is a scale-accurate RC helicopter that recreates the iconic profile of the UH-60L Black Hawk in a compact 170 size frame. This model is designed for enthusiasts who appreciate military aesthetics combined with modern flight stability technology, making it a distinctive addition to any collection. One of its standout functional features is the adjustable transmitter, which allows users to switch between left-hand and right-hand throttle modes. This flexibility is rare in entry-level packages and ensures that pilots can fly using the control scheme they find most comfortable. The helicopter utilizes a 4-channel fly-barless system, which reduces mechanical complexity while providing a more realistic and responsive flight experience compared to older, bar-stabilized models. Despite its detailed Black Hawk appearance, the K170 is engineered for ease of use. The 2.4 GHz radio system provides a clean signal with a solid range, while the onboard stabilization helps maintain a steady hover. Its 170 size dimensions make it large enough for outdoor flight in light winds, yet agile enough for skilled pilots to navigate larger indoor spaces. WLTOYS K170 Black Hawk, a versatile, scale-detailed military helicopter with customizable controls for a tailored flight experience. Number 3. If you're looking for a fun, easy-to-control remote control helicopter, the Cheerwing S107/S107G Phantom 3CH Mini RC helicopter with gyro is a great choice for beginners and hobbyists. This mini RC helicopter features a built-in gyro stabilization system that helps keep the helicopter steady during flight, making it much easier to control. Even first-time users can quickly learn how to fly and enjoy a smooth, stable experience. With its 3-channel control system, you can move the helicopter up and down, forward and backward, and rotate left or right, giving you full control while flying. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for indoor flying. The durable metal frame adds extra strength and helps protect the helicopter from minor bumps or crashes, which is ideal for beginners who are still learning. It also includes built-in LED lights that make the helicopter more visible and add a cool effect while flying. The rechargeable battery provides several minutes of flight time per charge and can be easily recharged for repeated use. Compact, durable, and easy to fly, this mini helicopter is a great option for anyone looking to start with RC flying or searching for a fun and exciting gift. Number 2. A realistic and advanced RC helicopter experience, the RC-ER AC-186 SB-0105 1/48th scale RC helicopter is an impressive model designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. This helicopter features a detailed 1/48th scale design inspired by the iconic BO-105, delivering a highly realistic appearance that stands out in the air. Its single-rotor flybarless system improves flight efficiency and stability, providing smoother control and a more authentic flying experience. With a 6-channel control system and a reliable 2.4 GHz transmitter, you get precise movement and responsive handling while avoiding signal interference. This allows you to fully control direction, altitude, and flight maneuvers with confidence. The intelligent flight system includes barometric altitude hold, which automatically maintains a steady height during flight, making it easier to control and perfect for beginners. Optical flow positioning adds extra stability by helping the helicopter maintain its position while hovering. For convenience, it also features one-key takeoff and landing, allowing the helicopter to launch or land safely with just a single button. To enhance the scale realism, the helicopter includes a missile mounting rack, giving it an authentic military-style look that collectors and enthusiasts will appreciate. Combining realistic design, intelligent flight features, and stable performance, this helicopter is a great option for anyone looking for a more advanced and immersive RC flying experience. Number 1. Experience the thrill of flying with the RC-ER AC-127 AI Helicopter Scout drone model, a smart and versatile RC helicopter designed for both beginners and enthusiasts. This model features a single-rotor design that delivers smooth, efficient flight and better stability in the air. With its 4-channel control system, you can easily move the helicopter up and down, forward and backward, and rotate left or right, giving you full control for a realistic flying experience. To make flying easier, it includes a built-in 6-axis gyroscope and barometric altitude hold, helping the helicopter maintain stable hovering and smoother control, even for first-time pilots. Optical flow positioning also improves stability by helping the helicopter keep its position while hovering. One of its most exciting features is the integrated HD camera, allowing you to capture aerial photos and videos while flying. With real-time transmission, you can see what the helicopter sees directly from your device, adding a whole new level of fun to the flight. The helicopter also includes convenient features like one-key takeoff and landing, making it simple to launch and land safely with just one button. Compact, intelligent, and packed with modern technology, this RC helicopter is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy stable flying, aerial photography, and a fun remote control experience. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.